How did you feel with the playbook now as far as just picking up some of the things?
I've always been good with that, so it never was really a struggle. You know, obviously I was in it hard when I first got here for rookie minicamp, but now, you know, I'm just kind of like going when the vets go. You know, whenever we go in meetings, I'm kind of just taking in the same stuff they taking in. I'm already caught up, so it's pretty simple now. It's actually fun when you're out here knowing what to do compared to like going in the huddle. Sometimes you don't know what they're gonna call. You're nervous to see like it's just actually heartwarming to get out there and actually know what to do.
Could you talk a little bit about just the backfield in general, you know, with the Chris Thompson and you and all the other running backs?
We got a great room. You know, ever since I got here, those guys are willing to help. You know, you'll come to a lot of pro teams and you'll hear about, you know, guys fighting for positions and, you know, guys getting salty. But with these guys, man, it's like they making sure I know what's going on. When I first got in, they already knew why they drafted me here. So they making sure I know what's going on before I get out there. You know, those are not guys that are, you know, all pissed off and stuff because I'm here now. These are guys that, you know, they welcome me with their arms wide open. You know, we ready to go now. We all trying to get on the same page and get it going. We RBU. It's the best room here.